Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that gorilla in a cup token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, in 1998, Coco, the gorilla who knew sign language, owned a kitten and a clearly had better taste than most of us, was photographed chilling in the driver's seat of a Chevrolet Camaro Z28, one arm out that window like she had somewhere better to be. 17 years later, in October 2025, one tweet looked at the photo and spoke the sentence that changed the internet forever. Gorilla in couple token total supply is 969.03 million and circulating supply is also 969.03 million GIAC token. GIAC token is listed on PumpSwap and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.